thanks God that after a year of being busy with work or looking for work, we can take it easy, relax, and enjoy each other's presence. Before anything else, may I take this opportunity to personally congratulate the past officers of this association for a job well done. Thank you.
Yeah.
Your untiring efforts and unselfish service to our organization have inspired us a lot. You have set an example that is worthy of praise. Please accept our applause as a gesture of our appreciation. Thank you. Allow me also to commend the organizing committee for coming up with a festive program tonight. Thank you so much for letting us experience a vista that is one of a kind. It gives me a great pleasure and honor to stand before you again tonight as you have given me your trust and confidence once more, and I am deeply honored. To my fellow members, I urge you to continue your usual cooperation, your active involvement, commitment, and dedication to all endeavors we will undertake. We must maintain the strong bond that we develop and always foster our harmonious relationship in bad or good times. This association is a family, and you are a part of this family. Kakabsat, friends and fellow San Nicolanians, na imbag na nagsak kapag nagpista kayo amin. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless us all, and may God continue to bless San Nicolas. Thank you.